another freaking video. Okay, so as y'all know, I said that I was gonna do like the 25 days of Vlogmas. Y'all late, so y'all might just get the 12 days of Vlogmas. But anyways, today we are going to be doing a little bit of Christmas decorations. Yesterday we went to the store and bought a couple of decorations for the tree, to put the tree up and stuff, to decorate our front door, the tree, the fireplace area, all of that. I didn't get to record it because we were in such a rush, so I didn't get a lot of footage of it, but I'm definitely gonna give y'all what I got. Right now I'm on my way to the gas station right quick, then we're going home and I'm gonna finish cleaning up. My uncle is coming over to finish doing the kids' room because he putting their bunk beds up and he put out all of our TVs up on the wall. I helped my mama rearrange her room, and then also I'm gonna rearrange my dresser and my fireplace in my room as well. So I'm gonna give y'all all that footage, and yeah, their room decorations and stuff is gonna be in a whole nother video, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to go in the store right quick, and then I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Y'all, they done got in trouble. We just coming from the store, y'all. We gonna show y'all what we got. This is gonna be part of Vlogmas, y'all. I scratched myself real bad on my hand 3 times in the same spot with my book bag. But we about to pull up to the... That's what I do. You know, right there with the tree. Yeah, that's what I was doing at the beginning because it was so hot. I would always park back there because it's too hot to stand on that side of the street. It's no shade, it's all sun. But yeah, y'all, we gonna take the groceries out and I'm gonna show y'all. Hey guys, I'm finally back home, and this is so far how my mom's room is. She's washing her sheets, so don't mind that. But y'all see how clean her room is. So she's washing her sheets to remake her bed. So we took and we moved this dresser from by the window to right here on this side of the wall. And then we moved her desk from right there to right here, and we switched all of this around. That we kept the same. Her nightstand we moved from this side of the bed to this side of the bed. And then my uncle, like I told y'all, mounted her TV, y'all. Her TV is huge and it looks so nice like this. That's her fireplace. We're gonna do something to the fireplace to make it look a little bit more modern to go with her room. We vacuumed her floor. She got the rugs on her floor. She got her lamp, her plant. She has, this is shaped like an L because her name starts with the L, but you just can't see it that good. And then right now she's in the closet doing her closet, y'all. We getting this together. And y'all see how quick y'all, when I left, it didn't even look this neat. Look how neat it looked now. She didn't fold up all the clothes. She got her stuff hung up, and then one day we're gonna come in here and we're gonna color coordinate it and season coordinate it.
Well, this side is kind of color.
This side is, yeah, is mostly color coordinated.
Yeah,
it's just not seasonal, but that's like some of the stuff that she, I guess, wear often. Is this the stuff you wear often?
This is stuff I wear.
Okay, so yeah, this is like some of the stuff that she wear often, but she work a lot, so but most of the time she wearing work clothes. But just like me. But yeah, y'all can see this is more like winter stuff and church stuff. But y'all, she got a whole piece of closet way back there. Y'all, I can't show y'all the whole thing, but I'll show y'all. That looks mostly color coordinated too. And that's her little shoe rack. So this part look good. So really she just working on the stuff on the bottom, on the floor. But she doing good. She's getting it done. And then my uncle will be on the way to do everything else. I'm finna go up in the attic and get the trees down and go clean the fireplace part off, y'all. Good job. Yep. But you got to lean it a little bit because that's going outside. But that's a perfect place to put it right now. Not lean it to the side. Lean it out some. Like lean the bottom out some. I got it. Like this so it don't tip over. You got to lean it. You got to lean it like that so it don't tip. Thank you.
But that's going to go outside.
Yeah, but he was just putting, no, outside. He was just putting it over there out of the way. And I told him that's a good place because it won't fall over right there.
Oh, okay. Got a few more bags in the car.
I'm going to get the bread out the window. Record that part too. Hold on. That is cute.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, gang, so we decorated our front yard and our porch. Just wanted to let y'all know that this is not all of the decorations. This is just what we end up getting today. But y'all will be able to see the finished product in another Vlogmas video. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up on that. But yeah, guys, love y'all. Enjoy the video.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Y'all, she's making headway. Look how much she done got done, y'all. Now this is just the miscellaneous and the shoes and stuff. But she cleared the hell out of her floor, as y'all can see. I mean, she did her thug thizzle. Is those pajamas on top of that box? Christmas pajamas? That's a scarf.
I'm listening.
What is it? It pajamas. We can wear that together. But yeah, y'all, she made a lot of headway. My uncle's not here yet, but I've already decided in my mind that if he does not come, I'm gonna do it myself. But do y'all see how big this bed is, y'all? When I bought this bed, I did not think about how much space it was gonna take up in the room, but as y'all can see, it's pretty huge. These dressers are going to be spray painted and redone. Okay, gang, so right now I am about to gather all of the Christmas decorations so I can give y'all the footage of me putting the tree up and all of that. I cleaned off these shelves. Don't worry about that. That's all the Christmas stuff, and then that's the Christmas stuff right there. And then this shelf right here, I was cleaning off, but I don't have really nothing to put on this side yet because the tree is going over there. So I'm gonna focus more on that side, and then later on in the week or whatever, y'all will, you know what I'm saying, y'all will see this side. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go up to the attic and get everything we need. Y'all see the living room is a mess. But I'm sending kids upstairs after we clean it up, and I'll get back with y'all. Yeah, y'all. Once I go into the attic and get everything down, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and then we're gonna go from there. If I'm not mistaken, we do have 2 trees. One is bigger than the other one. I believe we got a 7-foot tree, and then like a 5-6 foot tree, I believe. It might be 7 feet too, I don't know. But if I'm not mistaken, we do have 2 trees. I've always wanted to put up 2 trees, so I'm super happy about that. And I'm gonna show y'all where the tree is gonna go, okay? So like I said, one of the trees is gonna go over here in this corner. That's why we switched the furniture around like this. If y'all knew at first, if y'all seen it, y'all some OGs, y'all know at first we didn't have this couch, we just had that one, and it was against this wall. And even though the couches aren't the same exact color, it's the reason why we did it like that. It's just a thing. We wanted to do something different. We didn't want everything to match exactly. We wanted to do something different so that it stands out. And we make everything, we can make anything look cute. So yeah, y'all, we put this sectional couch right here, move that couch right there so that the tree can go right there. Initially, I was going to decorate this wall, clean it off, do a backdrop, and do the tree right there. But I think I'm gonna just save this for just the backdrop so we can take our family Christmas pictures. Not sure. But I also didn't want that big ass tree to like take up too much space of the stairs. That's why we put this couch right here. So the reason for putting this couch right here was because I wanted to close in the living room. As y'all can see, this is an open concept. The downstairs is an entire open concept. Even with the island being in the middle, y'all can see the kitchen and the living room are not separated or closed off. The couches is what's closing them off.
You better mess with my chicken.
Y'all, I asked my mama for a piece of her skin and a piece of her chicken. Look at this.
Is that not a piece?
Look at her chicken.
Is that not a piece? I went to KFC and I asked her if she wanted something, and she said yeah, then she said no.
I don't. People gave me another little piece of my nugget.
It's crumbling apart. You want to go on and get your own. You ain't gonna eat all my goddamn skin. That's the best part of the chicken. Stop it. That's too big.
All of you guys.
Now go on.
Yeah, give me a piece of meat. Y'all look at this. She didn't give me a piece of the inside of the meat.
You bad man.
Okay.
Mommy,
It's my turn to
She about to cut me out.
Can you make my